Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to depixelate images in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, what you have to do is in front of you, you have an image that is pixelated and it is not clear. So first of all, what you have to do is right click your original image and select duplicate layer. Click on OK. A duplicate layer has been created of the original image. Now what you have to do is go to the filters tab, go to the others and select high pass. Now what you have to do is increase the radius to 7.2% or 7.2 pixels. Click on OK. You will see this kind of black and white image. You have to go to the normal tab, click on normal and select linear light. Now after that, what you have to do is create two more duplicates. Right click, duplicate layer, click on OK. We have to create another duplicate layer and click on OK. Now hold the shift key and select all of the copies that you have created and then release the shift key and right click on your three selected copies and select merge layers and then go to the normal again and go to linear light. As you can see, this is the after image and this was our image before. And that's how you can depixelate images in Adobe Photoshop. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.